myself JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc, B.Ed, ZBC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic requirements of DNA replications. Requirements of DNA replication. Some important requirements of DNA replication: deoxyribonucleotides. Okay. Second, template DNA strands or parent strands, RNA primers, and some enzymes like DNA polymerase, primase, helicase, DNA ligase, topoisomerase, and single strand binding proteins. Right? Firstly, single strand binding protein SSB proteins binds to single strand DNA, has two functions. First, prevents reannihilation, thus providing single strand templates required by polymerase. Second function, protects single strand DNA from nuclease activity, so cooperative bindings. Helicase enzyme functions of helicase enzymes: separate the DNA strands, double strand DNA to single strand DNA by dissolving the hydrogen bond holding the two strands together. This separates double strand DNA at physiologically temperatures. Next, ATP dependence. At least 9 helicases have been described in E. coli, of which DNA binding proteins A, B, C are most important. Initial separation is by DNase. Next, continue further by DNA V. Major strand separating protein acts bidirectionally. DNA C is required for loading DNA V at site of replication. Seen the diagrams. DNA helicase binding, next primase enzymes. Primase is a specialized RNA polymerase. It synthesis a short stretch of RNA in 5' to 3' direction on a template running in 3' to 5' direction, and RNA primers about 100 to 200 nucleotides long is synthesized by the RNA primase. Okay. DNA primase. Next, DNA ligase. DNA ligase close nick in the phosphodiester backbones of DNA. Two of the most important biologically roles of DNA ligases are: firstly, joining of Okazaki fragments during replication. Okay, and second, completing short patch DNA synthesis occurring in DNA repair processes. These are two classes of DNA ligases. Firstly, the first uses NAD plus as a cofactor and only found in bacteria, and second uses ATP as a cofactor and found in eukaryotes, viruses, and bacteriophages. Structure of DNA ligase, seen the diagrams. Next, DNA ligase mechanism. The reactions occurs in three stages in all DNA ligases. First, Formation of a covalent enzyme AMP intermediate linked to a lysine side chain in the enzyme. Second, transfer of the AMP nucleotide to the 5' phosphates of the nicked DNA strands. Next, I take on the AMP DNA bonds by the 3' OH of the nicked DNA, sealing the phosphate backbone and releasing AMP. Function of DNA ligase. Supercoils. What is supercoils? As two strands unwind, they result in the formation of positive supercoils or supertwisted in the region of DNA ahead of replication fork. Accumulation of these supercoils interfere with further unwinding of double strand DNA, right? This problem is solved by the enzyme topoisomerase. These catalyze the interconversion of topoisomerase of DNA and catalyze in a three steps process. First, cleavage of one or both strands of DNA. Second, passage of a segments of DNA through this break. And third, releasing of the DNA. And next, two types of topoisomerase present DNA which different in the linking number. Okay, topoisomerase first and topoisomerase second. Topoisomerase first reversibly cut one strands of double helix and have both nuclease and ligase. Do not require ATP, rather use the energy released by phosphodiester bonds cleavage to reseal the nick. Remove only negative supercoils. Example as bacteria. And topoisomerase second, जिसे topoisomerase seconds DNA gyrase. Characters of topoisomerase second: heterodimer with two sucrase and two ATPs subunits. Right? Positive supercoiled. Next, DNA polymerases. These are the enzymes responsible for the polymerization of deoxyribonucleosides triphosphate on a DNA template strand to form a new complementary DNA strands. Okay? In prokaryotes, based on site and conditions of action, they are divided into three types: topoisomerase first, second, and third. In common properties of DNA polymerase, all, all DNA polymerase can synthesize a new strands of DNA in 5' to 3' direction on a template strands which in running in 3' to 5' direction. They also show exonuclease activity in 3' to 5' direction. All DNA polymerase cannot initiate the process of replication on their own. This is the basic defect of DNAP synthesis of new strands. Okay, thank you.